The Bobby Line. This is the location of Milwaukee Road's Eagle Branch, known as the Bobby Line. In the late 1860s, it was determined that a connection was needed to join the Western Union and the Milwaukee and St. Paul railroads. At their closest point, they were only separated by about 15 miles. This would provide a link between the Great Lakes and the West. In January 1870, construction began to build a line between Elkhorn and Eagle. By late October of that year, trains began to rumble over the new track, carrying grain and wool. Eventually, dairy plants located in Elkhorn and Eagle were also served by the trains. The local residents nicknamed the route the Bobby Line. The Eagle Branch passed by Lulu Lake near Troy Center. The Graydon Ice Company erected ice storage houses next to the lake and shipped up to 1,500 carloads of ice a year over a half-mile spur that reached down to the lake from the north. The First World War assumed all available passenger equipment for the movement of the troops. By the time normal service was restored, the automobile had become the preferred mode of travel. As highways expanded, the little railroad was abandoned in 1932.